Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to print orders on your Wix site. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales, then go to Orders. Select the order or orders that you want to print out. You can do so by ticking their checkboxes. Once you're done selecting, click on Print Orders here at the top. Another tab will open where you will see the orders you selected and their corresponding details. Each order will have a page of its own. You can print it directly or you can download it as a PDF file. So feel free to select an option. And that's it. That's how easy it is to print out your selected orders. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.